Ever wondered why we say, "bless you" after someone sneezes? It actually dates back centuries. The most popular theory is that people believed a sneeze could expel the soul from the body, or worse, invite evil spirits in. Saying "bless you" was a way to protect the sneezer and ensure their soul stayed safe. Another theory ties it to the bubonic plague. Sneezing was one of the first signs of the illness, so saying "bless you" was a way to wish someone good health. Today, it's more of a polite reflex, a way to acknowledge the sneeze and show care. So next time you hear "bless you," remember it's a little piece of history, a reminder of how we've evolved from superstition to simple kindness.